Hi Kylie, here is the chart that you were asking about for the percentiles. This is the question off of your worksheet, and what you need to do here is, first of all, you're going to get a cumulative frequency. That's hard to say. Cumulative. Oh, it's hard to spell too, you know what I mean. All you're going to do is add them up as you go down, okay? So 4, and then 6, and then 9, and then 11, and so on, okay? So if you carry on doing that, then the next column is your cumulative percent, okay? So out of the total number of pieces of data that we have here, if you add them all up when you're doing your cumulative, so I guess we need to do that anyway. We got 14 and 7. I think we should have 20, shouldn't we? Did I add it wrong? 6, 9, and 12, 14, and no, it's 21. Okay, 21. And so as a percent, you're going to find 4 out of 21 and make that into a percent by multiplying by 100. And you're going to get your percentages all the way down. And right now, you're going to learn a formula a little bit later on when we do the percentages of frequency distributions. But right now, all you're required to do is to create the graph. And let me just go over to another screen for a minute here. The different ranges from your chart, and they have graphed the percentage on the graph. So let me just go back to that page again to do. And if you scroll down below that in the content, okay, and so they've created a graph from the chart. And I think that the question that I'm looking at here is, I think it's down below, where they're asked to find the 9th decile, or the 90th percentile, which is what the 9th decile is. And so all they do is they go over and they find the 90% on the graph, and they go down and they read the value for that. So you're required to find the 9th percentile. So you're just going to approximate 9% on the chart and go across, and then go down and read what value that gives you. And that's all you need to do to find those values right now. You might be just a little bit off of what the answer key is because it's reading from a graph, so it's not exact. But that's all you need to do to find your percentiles right now.